How to send photos in Wire Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Sending photos in Wire Messenger is quick and easy, and you can share pictures from your gallery or take a photo directly within a chat. First of all, launch open the Wire Messenger application on your device and make sure that you're signed in. Once you're in, go ahead and select a conversation where you want to send a photo. Now go to the bottom of the screen and then tap on the camera icon at the bottom. Click on Allow, and now allow access to your device's camera roll. Now you'll see a camera pop up as well as the photos you can share from your device's camera roll. You can tap on this camera over here and make sure to record a video or a photo you want to send. Or if you want to share an existing photo, go ahead and scroll through your camera roll and choose the photo you want to share. After selecting the photo, click on OK. Now you'll be able to send the photo to one of your recipients. So there you have it. That's how you send photos in Wire Messenger. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.